Power on the radio and power on the buggy. Now prime the engine. So I'm going to press this bubble. All right, the fuel is in the pipe, the fuel is in the bubble. All right, now we're going to put the choke down. Okay, this is up, this is down, and we're going to pull the starter one or twice until we see the engine is firing up now. So put your hand on top here and make sure the buggy is on a block so wheels are free. Okay, pull the starter until it locks here. Okay, there's slack, so don't pull with the slack. So pull it up a little bit slack and then yank it up nice with force. Okay, one. Oh, I just heard the pop, right? So this means engine says, I'm ready, baby, I'm ready. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. Ready?